What if I told you airlines are quietly robbing you blind? We're talking straight up baggage fee scams they'll never admit to. You know that feeling when you breeze through booking a crazy cheap flight, thinking you've hit the jackpot? Then bam, you get to the airport and suddenly your suitcase costs more than the entire ticket. Seriously, why did your carry-on just turn into a luxury item? Why is your backpack suddenly worth more than its weight in gold? Airlines are sneaky, my friends. They bury these ridiculous fees in the fine print, waiting until the last minute when you're trapped at the check-in counter with no other options. But don't worry, I'm here to expose their sneaky tactics. I'm about to drop some serious travel knowledge bombs revealing all the ways airlines try to squeeze every last penny out of you. Get ready to become a fee-slaying travel ninja. Alright, let's talk about the dreaded overweight baggage fee. You know the one? They slap you with a $75 charge for a few extra pounds, like your suitcase is made of solid gold. But here's the thing, airlines are banking on you not knowing a simple trick. They want you to panic at the counter, frantically shoving socks into your pockets just to avoid the fee. But I've got your back. Let's say you've got two bags. One is teetering dangerously close to the weight limit, while the other is practically empty. What do? Easy. Channel your inner luggage ninja and redistribute that weight. Baby, here's the play. Before you even leave your house, pack a small, lightweight duffel bag inside your main suitcase. Then, at the airport, whip out that secret weapon, your empty duffel bag. Like a boss, casually transfer some items from your overweight suitcase into your empty bag. Boom! You just saved yourself a hefty $75 and you didn't even break a sweat. And the best part? The airlines can't say a thing. You're playing by their rules, just outsmarting their system. It's like a magic trick. But instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling cash out of thin air. But wait, there's more. Let's say you're traveling with a buddy. Coordinate your packing ninja skills. If one of you has a lighter bag, shift some weight around. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, especially when it comes to outsmarting those pesky airline fees. Okay, let's talk about another airline scam, priority boarding. They make it sound all fancy, like you're about to walk the red carpet onto a private jet. But here's the truth. Priority boarding is often a colossal waste of your hard-earned cash. Think about it. Unless you're rocking a giant tuba or have a fear of overhead bins, do you really need to be the first one on the plane? Let's be real. You're going to be stuck on that plane for the next few hours anyway. Those extra 5 minutes of standing in line aren't going to change your life. And here's the real kicker. Airlines know people stress about overhead bin space. They prey on that fear, convincing you that you need to shell out extra cash just to guarantee a spot for your bag. But guess what? Most airlines already include a free carry-on bag in your ticket price. So next time you're tempted by that priority boarding option, take a deep breath and resist the urge. Pocket that extra cash and treat yourself to a nice airport snack instead. You deserve it. Now, let's dive into my favorite subject, free stuff. Specifically, free checked bags. Because who wants to pay extra for luggage when you can get it for free? Here's a secret airlines don't want you to know. Sometimes, booking through a specific airline's website can unlock secret deals, including free checked bags. Yep, you heard me right. Some airlines offer special promotions and discounts that you won't find on those third-party travel sites. It's like a hidden treasure chest of savings. And the best part? This trick only takes about 2 minutes. Seriously. Here's what you do. First, fire up your computer and head over to an airline's website. Then, act like you're about to book a flight. Choose your destination, select your dates, and here's the crucial part, Before you hit that final book button, scroll down to the baggage fees section. Sometimes you'll see a little message that says something like, book direct and get a free checked bag. Bingo! You just hit the jackpot. It's like a secret handshake for savvy travelers. Alright guys, let's talk about the holy grail of travel hacks. The credit card loophole that can wipe out baggage fees forever. That's right, you heard me correctly. Forever. Now, I'm not talking about just any credit card. I'm talking about those elite travel rewards cards that come with perks that'll make your head spin. We're talking free checked bags, airport lounge access, priority boarding, the works. These cards are like the VIP pass to the world of travel, and they can save you a small fortune in fees. Here's the deal. Some of these cards come with an annual fee, but hear me out. The benefits often far outweigh the cost, especially if you're a frequent flyer. Think about it. If you're already paying for checked bags and other travel expenses, why not get rewarded for it? Plus, many of these cards offer insane sign-up bonuses. We're talking enough points to score you a free round-trip flight just for signing up. It's like getting paid to travel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mr. Gates, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's not. Do your research, compare different cards, and find one that aligns with your travel style. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save and how much more enjoyable your travel experience will be. There you have it. The insider secrets airlines don't want you to know. You're now armed with the knowledge to conquer those pesky baggage fees and travel like a boss. Remember, those credit card loopholes can be a game changer, saving you a ton of money in the long run. Now, I want to hear from you. If you've got any epic fee-slaying stories, drop them in the comments below. Let's create a movement of savvy travelers who refuse to be ripped off. And hey, if you're looking for even more travel hacks and tips, make sure to check out my next video where I'll reveal guide to airplane food. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel tips. Thanks for watching.